Creating wood furniture and decor pieces for sale or as gifts opens up a world of possibilities for woodworkers and artisans. This craft combines creativity, functionality, and the opportunity to express personal style while potentially generating income or fostering meaningful connections with loved ones. Working with wood allows individuals to tap into their artistic instincts, transforming raw materials into beautiful, handcrafted items that can serve as functional furniture or charming decorative accents. As one delves into this endeavor, there are numerous aspects to consider, ranging from design inspiration to marketing strategies. The process of making wood furniture or decor begins with inspiration. This can come from various sources, including nature, architecture, cultural influences, or even personal experiences. Observing the world around you and paying attention to the elements that resonate can serve as a foundation for your designs. For example, the organic shapes found in trees or the geometric patterns of architectural structures can inspire unique pieces that showcase your creativity and craftsmanship. Embracing one's surroundings not only enriches the design process, but also infuses the work with a sense of place and authenticity. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wood furniture ideas and wood decor pieces ideas you can make for sale or gift. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Once an idea takes shape, it is essential to consider the purpose and function of the piece. When creating furniture, thoughtful design focuses on how the item will be used, ensuring that it meets practical needs while also being aesthetically pleasing. For instance, a coffee table must provide ample surface area for drinks and snacks while maintaining the desired visual appeal. In contrast, decorative items may prioritize form over function, but should still embody a sense of purpose, whether it's to evoke emotion or serve as a conversation starter. This balance between purpose and beauty can elevate a piece, appealing to potential customers or recipients. Selecting the right type of wood is a crucial step in the creative process. Different woods possess unique characteristics in terms of color, grain, hardness, and workability. For instance, hardwoods like oak and maple are ideal for furniture due to their durability and resistance to wear, while softer woods like pine may lend themselves well to decorative pieces requiring intricate carving. Understanding the properties of various wood types allows artisans to make informed decisions about which materials best suit their projects. Additionally, sourcing wood from sustainable providers or using reclaimed materials can further enhance the appeal of a piece, as consumers increasingly seek eco-friendly options. As one embarks on the actual making of furniture or decor pieces, having a well-equipped workspace is essential. A dedicated workshop with the necessary tools and materials allows for efficiency and creativity. Basic woodworking tools such as saws, chisels, and sanders are essential, while more advanced tools like routers or laser cutters can bring a new level of intricacy to designs. Ensuring a safe and organized workspace not only improves productivity, but also fosters an environment conducive to creativity and innovation. Craftsmanship plays a vital role in producing high-quality furniture and decor pieces. Paying attention to details is key, whether it's through precise measurements, clean cuts, or careful joining techniques. Good craftsmanship not only enhances the durability of the item, but also reflects the artisan's dedication and skill. Demonstrating a strong commitment to quality will resonate with customers, establishing a reputation for excellence. Moreover, showcasing the craftsmanship involved can also be a powerful storytelling element, allowing potential buyers to appreciate the time, effort, and expertise invested in each piece. When creating items for sale, understanding the target audience is essential. Knowing who will be interested in your work can influence design choices, materials, and marketing strategies. For instance, more modern styles may appeal to younger consumers, while traditional designs may resonate with older demographics. Conducting market research or visiting local craft fairs can provide insights into current trends and preferences, helping to tailor creations to meet consumer demands. Engaging with potential customers through social media or community events can also enhance visibility and foster relationships that lead to sales. Presenting furniture and decor pieces in an appealing way is crucial for attracting potential buyers. This involves not only how the items are designed, but also how they are showcased. Well-composed photographs can significantly impact sales, as they provide a visual representation of the piece's quality and design. Utilizing natural lighting, appealing backgrounds, and dynamic angles can create compelling imagery that captures the essence of the work. Additionally, providing context for the pieces, illustrating them in real-life settings, can help customers envision how they might fit into their own homes. Packaging and branding also play significant roles in the sales process. Thoughtfully packaged items can elevate the perceived value and make a positive impression on customers. This may include personalized notes, branding labels, or eco-friendly materials that align with values of sustainability. Establishing a cohesive brand identity can enhance recognition and differentiate your work in a crowded market. Crafting a compelling narrative around the brand, such as its commitment to quality craftsmanship and sustainable practices, can attract a loyal customer base that aligns with these values. Creating wood furniture and decor pieces can also serve as thoughtful gifts, allowing artisans to share their creativity and craftsmanship with loved ones. When making gifts, personalization becomes a vital aspect of the process. Customization can take many forms, whether it's incorporating a specific wood type, engraving names or dates, or designing items that reflect the recipient's interests. These personal touches can transform a simple gift into a cherished keepsake. The emotional significance of handcrafted gifts can strengthen relationships as they convey time, effort, and thoughtfulness. Moreover, engaging in the craft of making furniture and decor for gifts can provide opportunities for collaboration. Working closely with friends or family to create a shared piece can be a bonding experience. This collaborative approach not only fosters creativity, but also deepens connections as memories are made throughout the process. Additionally, involving others can introduce new perspectives and ideas, enriching the final product while also making the crafting experience more enjoyable. During the production of gifts, considering the recipient's lifestyle and preferences can guide design choices. For instance, creating a functional piece for someone who enjoys hosting might inspire the design of a stylish serving tray or decorative shelving unit. Likewise, developing decor items that reflect a person's individuality can lead to gifts that resonate on a personal level. The thoughtfulness embedded in these creations can elevate them beyond merely functional items, positioning them as meaningful expressions of care and appreciation. For those seeking to establish a more commercial approach to their woodworking endeavors, exploring various sales channels can broaden opportunities for profit. This craft exemplifies the blend of artistry and practicality, allowing creators to convey stories and emotions through their work. As the demand for handmade, well-crafted items continues to rise, those who engage in this endeavor can find fulfillment in both the creative process and the connections formed through their artistry. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture ideas and wood decor pieces ideas you can make for sale or gift. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, Likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.